Specifically, the people are so nice and welcomed at the same time. Femina Miss India especially has come this year because we wanted to know each and every girl out here in Northeast that they matter and they deserve this platform. So I believe it's a really right choice and right path to go on. Then and I have seen the amazing girls performing really well, Northeast girls, because they are naturally beautiful yet warm from their behavior, and that's really most important thing, right? We are beauty with purpose, with brain. So that's really, and Manipur has treated me super well, so I would love to come back here and rock and roll again.
We know that over the years, the beauty pageant has been transformed. It's not only about beauty, it's about also finding the genuineness and honesty and the intelligence of a person and how they relate to the world and how they see themselves with the world and how they see them, how the world sees them also in a certain way, and how the title will then help them bring them closer to certain causes that are close to them. I want the best product for myself. So I think beauty is all about the aesthetics. It's about God's creation. It's about the construction, the way nature has given them certain assets and certain features that can make people attractive. And there's nothing wrong in that. Let's celebrate that. Beauty is essential. We look for beauty. It's art, in many other places in life. And modeling as a career has also grown over the years because of the respect that Femina Miss India has conferred. It's a very dignified organization. It has given so many leading girls platforms, and a lot of the contestants who are winners have gone on to win Miss World, Miss Diva, Miss Universe. And not just that, they have been able to establish themselves even as actors, or they have been able to kind of do other work which they like to do. Not necessarily everybody has to get in the glamour world, but they have been able to pursue their other crafts and arts. Some have even taken the money that they received to help them educate themselves in the, in the field that they want to. So I think the platform just gives people who are genetically blessed and who are well maintained, gives them a little bit of an edge to move forward in life. And I think the reason why the pageant right now has gone into the question answer rounds over the years is simply because we also want to see a combination of not just what has been genetically bestowed on you, but also the inner intelligence, the inner beauty of how this person thinks, how this person relates to the world. And I think when that combination comes through, I think that is what makes the winner. So we're not here to just look at the aesthetics and the beauty, but we're also looking at the inner intelligence, at the inner compassion, at the inner person's being. And I think that makes for a complete, beauty pageant winner. The Northeast women are the most strongest and powerful women. They are in the fields too. They take care of the family. They're on the fields. If you ever see any Northeast woman, you'll realize they're not just taking care of their children. They're taking care of the fields. They're feeding the family. They're feeding the in-laws. In so many ways, I find them the stronger sex in many ways. And it was just a matter of time when the world would see it for who they are. And I'm so happy because I genuinely believe that the Northeast people have a certain sense of feminine energy and femininity, which is so divine and so beautiful. As a man, I don't think, from all the parts of India, I would say the Northeast women have a certain kind of feminine energy which is super divine and it's super attractive. With so many people in Manipur wanting to watch it, I think Times of India, the organization, will be the best people to answer this. All I can say is that they're doing their best. I'm just happy to be here. And I'm so happy that the event has gone outside Mumbai and it's gone into a state like, Imphal, Manipur. And I'm so happy for it because, it has to move around.
and today I am the jury member for the grand finale of Femina Miss India 2023, and super excited that I've dressed up all the 30 contestants for the grand finale round. And yeah, I'm looking forward for the night. It's going to be beautiful. Thank you so much.
Personally love the Northeast. You know, I'm a trekker, so I've spent enough time trekking in the Northeast. So I am very happy to be here in Manipur personally, and I think it's a very good idea to bring the mainstream pageant, fashion to this town. I think it's a good exposure. I think it's a very good idea and a good move. So thank you, the Manipur Tourism, for collaborating. A slow progress. It's going to be a slow change, and what we are presenting today is keeping in mind the, respecting what the society likes and what is acceptable. So all that, there is, being mindful about all of that. And I think that should be the case anywhere you're showing. Keeping the respect, mindfulness in how you dress and how the society accepts, I think it's very important. Traditional attire, I love it. I think that's should be the biggest for me as a designer, because I'm biased because I'm in the fashion. As a designer, for me it would be the traditional dress.
Amazing, and this is the first time I'm coming to Manipur, so it's again a very special experience for me. I think the people are very soft spoken and they are very welcoming. Is something that I would take with me, because in Bombay sometimes, it's so fast paced that people are not so welcoming, but the warmth that Manipur has given me is amazing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
So from my point of view, it's about personality and it's about the energy, because they're going to represent our country outside. So it's very important to actually see that kind of personality who will be the ambassador for India, in the international beauty pageants. It's the finale. So I think they have gone through the rigors for months actually. And even before they were selected, probably in their head over the years, they have been prepping for it, So it's a journey for them. We are just coming here and going to actually see the ultimate final culmination of it all, So that's the essence of it. Actually, I'm a filmmaker. So I have made a film called Badhai Do. And I had actually cast a girl from the Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, called Chum Darang. And Chum Darang is also from the Miss India pageant. She was one of the contestants. She was Miss Arunachal Pradesh. So I think this is a stepping stone for spotting talent, and for me especially looking at really talented artists. So yeah, it's a great opportunity.
Take the mic and say, Kurum Jerry, Manipur, it's such an honor to be back here for the third time. I think for the first of its time, as we all know, Miss India is happening here in Manipur, and what a joy it is to be here. I've had the chance to meet many of the contestants here, and I have to say everybody is ek se badhkar ek. Feels great to be back in this wonderful atmosphere, and I wish everybody all the very best. best parts about Miss India is that it helped me connect with a purpose bigger than myself. Right? Simply being on this platform means that there's so many people who are listening to your voice and listening and watching your actions. And I think what I was most passionate about is child safety. And so during my time as Miss India, my work was completely focused on increasing the safety of children back home in my state of Telangana. Not many people know that 1098 is the National Child Care Helpline here in India. And I only hope for a world where we are more and more conscious about making our environment safe for children and adults alike. Best parts again about Miss India is that you are given the freedom to lead a life of your choice. When I look back at my time as well, I had some of my dearest friends from the Northeast. We had Zucho from Nagaland, who is my closest friend, and plenty of others as well. And this time as well, the Northeast is really shining up there, and you guys have to wait and watch them on stage.
Good evening, one and all. This is a very good opportunity for the people of Manipur and especially people who are really interested in the field of fashion and pageants. People like us who have been, trying hard to get a platform and, showcase our traditional clothes to the rest of the world. This is a huge opportunity for me, for allowing me to represent our state Manipur and showcase our beautiful weaves of Manipur, uniqueness about our handloom and textile to the rest of the nation and rest of the world. I thank Times of India and the Miss India organization for putting me on board and being me part of this prestigious pageant of our country. For me, each and every contestants are same according to me, and each one is trying hard to get a place on the top 12. So my garments will be, on the top 12. So like only 12 girls will able to wear the garments and showcase the collection on the stage. So I think for me, more than the models who are gonna wear it, I'm excited about showcasing our tradition to the rest of the nation and rest of the world. First day when we had the shoot in Govindaji temple, so we had a basic collections of Manipuri traditional outfits. Plus we had the fittings on the same day when the girls arrived here in Imphal. So we had fittings on Grande Hotel. So the girls were really excited and they were really happy, putting on the clothes and seeing them happy and admiring them, our weaves, was something which I was really make the things more valuable. I think that make more worth it. And plus in the beginning, this was just not recent, because about the dealing about being into the Miss India organization, it's very long time. It's almost 5 months, almost 4 months back, I have signed a contract with the Miss India organization. I was being approached by Miss India only, not from the state government side. So for the clear information, I was being approached from the Miss India organization to be on board. Around 4 months back, I have signed a contract. So so much of struggle I had to even get a sketch person out of the state, get away from Delhi and started working on the collection. But at the end of the day, why I was so happy was, they choose Phanik and Fee at last. So that was the most happiest thing, out of all the design and collection which I have, give it to them, about showcasing on this event. The team, the entire team, which consists of a lot of people, the stakeholders and people who are responsible of Miss India organizations, there was a lot of discussions going on what will look the best. But at the end, they appreciate our originality, which is the Phanik and Inafi, which I'm trying to showcase with little motif on there, putting in tribal motifs, then our state flowers, our state language, Maitemake, and a lot of things which I think we should showcase to the rest of the world, plus which looks good to all the girls. That's what representing more about the handloom and textile of Manipur.
say it, but this is the first time I've ever been this side of our country. I mean, imagine I've been here for like last 24 years, but I never traveled to Manipur. So I was the major reason why I decided to come for the finale was the very fact that it's going to be held in Manipur and that I'll get to explore this side of Northeast region. So I was very excited. More than anything else, I think people here are super humble. People here are absolutely welcoming. I never felt that I was away from Mumbai, I was away from home. So it was a very delightful experience for me, and I'm really very excited because for the one fact I know is that people from Northeast are extremely pageant fanatic. So I'm really very looking forward to all the loud cheering that's going to happen tonight. So really excited for that.
Guys, Suman Rao.
Suman Rao.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much. I feel great. This is my third time in Imphal and it's as welcoming, as heartwarming as it was the past 2 times when I was here. But I'm really enjoying Imphal. I think I belong here. This is my third home now. Yeah. I think first time when I was here, I was a bit. I was a bit missing my home, I feel like, because I was away from it. But I think here, as I've mentioned, I'm coming here for the third time. I don't feel that I'm away from my home. I feel like I'm here. And apart from that, I really want to say something that this sari that I'm wearing tonight is made by 2 women and it took 15 days for them, 15 to 20 days to make it. It's a handmade sari and these women, they work under Princess Diya Kumari Foundation. I did my Beauty with a Purpose project for Miss World, which was named as Project Pragati in association with this foundation. So tonight I'm representing those hardworking women, those dedicated women, and all the love that all these women have for me in their heart. And it is a proud moment for me because this, as you see, is their hard work, and they all are working in a village in Rajasthan. So I think this is the least I can do for them, and yeah, I'm loving it. I hope you all are liking this sari. This is something I'm experimenting with my look this time.
I love the city, I love the state. I mean, this is my second visit to Manipur. I'd actually come for the campaign of Miss India 2023 here. I visited a lot of places. I love the people, I love the food, and I can't wait to come back again. My life has changed. I've lived 2 different lives in the same year. I was a normal office-going girl, and cut to I become Miss India 2022, who will represent India at Miss World. The feeling is unbelievable. My life has changed 360 degrees. Miss India as a title is a responsibility, and my heart goes out to the girl who comes next in the legacy. Well, I know for sure she'll make us proud. All the 30 contestants are fabulous. They're stunning, and I hope they make us all proud. I'm providing them public speaking and spoken English courses and helping them with the upliftment and confidence to go ahead and build their career. And it's looking fruitful. Miss World had come here, the Miss World organization, and they had a great time spending time with my kids who I teach in my organization. And our vision is to, spread this project, spread the title, which we are doing along with the NGO called Teach India, and we hope that we make it a big one throughout this year. All the Northeast contestants are stunning, and few of them are actually one of my very good friends from that batch. Call it Angobi, who's from your state, and let's say Louis. We all are still connected, and I feel that they are talented and unique in their own way, and they represent something really unique. And I'm really glad that they come here, they showcase their culture, and we get to know more about it. from the day I won till today, it's like it felt like yesterday I was just crowned, and today I have to pass my crown. So I'm super excited and also a little bit sad to give away my crown. Like it's gonna be a super duper performance with all the Miss Indias together performing. I am really very much excited and looking forward for it. We have practiced like 2-3 days continuous for this day to, you know, make it successful. So definitely I'm just looking forward to it.
My first visit, not even to Imphal, but to the whole Northeast itself. So it's a completely different vibe. Like I took 2 flights and I was very excited to come here as a part of my first visit and explore the state and its beauty. Well, I think that's not a plan, that's more like an opportunity. If I clear an audition, then why not? It's a huge dream for anyone in the country to be a part of like Hindi cinema. The biggest media houses have had a wrong image in your perception. But I think this Femina Miss India pageant is done by the biggest media organization, which is Times of India. And that organization have come to chosen to this beautiful state of Manipur and host its most prestigious pageant, Femina Miss India. That shows that it's not even extremely safe, but this city, this state has a lot of potential in terms of and opportunities, in terms of growth and a lot of culture, which the whole country needs to see and explore and accept.
फील्स वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके. बहुत बहुत थैंक यू मणिपुर टूरिज्म का हमें यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए, इनवाइट करने के लिए. एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड टू होस्ट द फेमिना मिस इंडिया. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मीट ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम हियर. सो looking forward to the evening. I'm hosting, so it's going to be fun. But the contestants are very interesting, very good. It's always had a great standard. People look forward to it, and so are we. Thank you so much.
Because there's a lot of I can feel the energy of the youth in this city, and it feels great. I can feel it's very energetic, it's very lovely. Having fun. So I think with most things in life, don't be afraid to try something new. Take that first step, take that leap, and just have fun. And there's nothing better than being yourself, is what I would say.
My first time, and I really hope that I come here many more times. I've not really had the chance to look around, but whatever visuals we were shown while we were rehearsing, it looks beautiful, and I'm very excited to try all the vegetarian food which I'm going to eat tonight after the show. The people are so sweet. They are so hospitable. Everything that we needed, they were just out there to help us, and I was so overwhelmed by the love that we received. I feel every place is made by the people and the hospitality that shows, and I feel Manipur is up there. This is the first of many. I feel like having Femina over here this year is really going to open up the scope of the beauty of Manipur and all the states on this side of India that would be celebrated. I really hope that I personally get to come here many more times. Thank you.
fantastic. I've been, supporting the Miss India title as a mentor for the past 7 or 8 years. And every time I see, all these beautiful girls who come from the Northeast, I always wonder, the place is beautiful, the people are beautiful. When will we ever get a chance to go there? And this time I feel like, there's a part of me that actually put it out in the universe to have the opportunity to actually come this far and come in with so much grandeur that it feels fantastic, because I think the blend is amazing. And I look forward to spending time here. I have spent time in the past in the Northeast, and I really hope that one of the girls from the Northeast also takes away a bit of the crown or the entire crown. I'm really rooting for lots of them tonight. Past, and I know that they will continue to do well in the future, so there's no taking away from that. They're bright, they're beautiful, they're intelligent, they're talented, and oh my god, they're really talented, and in the most wonderful way. I feel like they're so for me, I've always found them extremely striking, and I know the crop this time. I know the bunch of girls who've come this time, and we've done the pre-judging, we've done the personal interview rounds, and I promise you, they're as smart as they're beautiful, and they're as beautiful as they're bright. So there's no stopping them. I started off as one, and there were parts of my friends and family who didn't think that it was a real job, and I'm living off it for the past 22 years, so I must have done something right. It's always tough. You can have all the criterias, and for me, I'm a judge tonight, and it's very exciting, but because I've done this so many times in the past, you could have different criterias. There's also like different mandates of international contests that you fill out, but more importantly, you also think that, okay, fine, you need to have a check on how they walk, there's presence, there's beauty, there's brains, there's all of that. And then for me, I feel like, which maybe the other judges don't see, but my personal criteria when I'm judging someone on stage is definitely confidence, it's definitely comfort, and it's definitely personality, because those are the three things that set you apart. And no matter how much I say over here, I know that when I go there, I will be confused about, who's going to take it home tonight. There's always a really tight fight, first to bring them down to 12, which of course is a lot to do with the pre-judging score, which we've done, then to bring them down to 6, then to finally, the difference between the girl who takes it home and the one who just about misses the crown is probably like, a 0.1 or something. It's never that anyone's had a bad night when it comes to Miss India, because they're all state representatives, but it's just that one girl has had a better night than the rest of them.
I feel really proud. It's a very proud moment for our Manipur also, because entire Northeast ihan hana Manipur da sin bane, because mamang da Mumbai, then Delhi, I guess adu da amani di shidgre. For the first time in Northeast, it's happening in Manipur, and I feel very happy, and I would like to thank Times of India, Manipur Tourism of course, and Femina Miss India organizer for bringing the grand event here in Manipur. Huzik model oining ba ko, like sige sina magi kano oina profession oina la ke haba angang na ha am lady ko. So seeing this with their own eyes, they can feel that they can achieve this much in their life. And also example ama koi government sina set tawre huziki. So I think this is it's really their dream come true, and also a gateway for them for their dream.
So how you feel like? So our state is developing, isn't it? Everything in all around. So that is why we got the opportunity to host this, Femina Miss India 2023.
Honorable Chief Minister Gilishi Makhadangasi for the first time in the history of the Manipur da ngasi organized tawriba posi apigi Miss Femina gi India gi si khwaidagi akhoida hoi tonganba section kya na de akhoida apigi tongan ba magi comment magi perception de haiba yai tawdabu akhoigi ramdam sida akhoina ngasi capability adu akhoina ngasi bauta tawrokpa ngambagi ability aduga akhoina ngasi akhoigi lairiba akhoigi hariba ngasi participants gi manungda Manipur su yawa India Northern State yawa aduga for the first time in the इंडिया नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट अखोना अहम सिंब गमसे अखोगी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री एन बीरेन सिंह लीचिंग मखादा अखोई अंगम्बदो अखोना G20 की लाख अखोना वी नीड टू शो आवर स्ट्रेंथ अखोना कमाई तौना प्रमोट तौगनी अखोना एक्सप्लोर तौगनी की वर्ल्ड की मफम खुदिमक्ता पृथ्वी मफम खुदिमक्ता अखोई सक ताकप गमगनी मरमदि मणिपुर हाइबा जगह से अखोगी फाइदगी फजबा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन दा अखोई फबदना मरम वरकांदा मिस फेमिना की लेरिबा सिलक्पा ने हाइबसी मयाम रियलाइज तौरनी लोनना अखोई स्टेट टूरिज्म की ओइबा पोट अमा इम्पैक्ट अमा हाइबदी यामना फबा प्रमोशनल ओइबा पोट अमा एवेन्यू अमा फंगनी अखोगी एक्सप्लोर तौनबगी अचौबा तंजा अमा सोइना फंगनी हाइबसे ई मयामदा मसिम थमजगे थैंक यू वेरी मच
अखोई हिस्टोरिक इवेंट हाइजनिंगी अखोई मणिपुर से नहावाई ममांग अखोई मणिपुर से अखोई हिंसा मीना कीनरबदो मधुगी पोतो पूरा मांग्रे शांति हंजले अचौब खुदम इवेंट से माई पाक
अखोईगी अचौब टर्निंग पॉइंट अमखने हाइनिंगी मरमदी सिगुम्ब अहानब ओइना हाइतारे अतोप अतोप अखोईगी इंडिया की याम चौखटप स्टेट सिंगदा ओइना अखोई तौनै अदुबो अखोई मणिपुर अहानब ओइना सुमाइना तौबसे अखोई मणिपुर से मयाम अखोई शोकेस तौबसे फंगे अदगी सी तौखरबा मतुंगददी अखोई अनदर राउंड अमुक अतोप अतोप इवेंट मयाम अमसु तौबो याबगी चांस अमसु सुंसु सुंदर फंगने
Good evening everyone. It's been a lovely last couple of days over here, seeing all the contestants across the whole country in our beautiful home state of Manipur. It's a pleasure for all of us and let us all welcome them. Yam nungai jaba haiga dara khoi gi sugumba historic oiva event amane khoi gi se akhoi Manipur gi sugumba tourism da su yamna chauna promote toba oigadoba loina na कोई मणिपुर से मपान लमदा ताकबा मा अदुना ngasi कोई म्याम चंगदना सी यंगमिनरगा let us wish the contestant all the best and let us hope that the whole event goes on well. Thank you so much.
I'm really excited to be here in Manipur, Imphal, and for Miss India 2023, and I'm really looking forward to the event. Really looking forward to who will win it, and yeah, I'm a bit late. I have to go inside also. So thank you for being here, and thank you for having me here. I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for all the love. I've heard that a lot of my films are being viewed in Manipur. So thank you for that, and thank you for always being welcoming towards me and our industry. So thank you so much.
कनोगी मणिपुर मिस फेमिना तौदना सुमाइना लाक्तना पोरक्तना कोई कल्चर की ओइना तौबसी सुकिन मति नुगाइजै अदुगा सुमाइना सिनबी लांगबिरिबा मयाम पुनमपुसु हनना थागसरी
आई मयाम पुनमक नॉर्थ ईस्ट की हिस्ट्री दा और फेमिना मिस इंडिया की मागी पुवारी दा मपान दा थोगा तौबा कांदा अखोई मणिपुर गुंबा यामना ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯄꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟడ్ꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ 34-35ꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯎꯕꯗ I am told they are very much satisfied and happy. Thank you.